Ain't it good to be alive? One of these days the rain will subside, and we'll walk through the floods, feeling alive. Through my window I'm looking for light, but the dark around, there's no bright today. In the rain I feel the pain of all them people that are flooded in. One of these days the rain will subside, and we'll walk through the floods, feeling alive. With you I feel alright. You turn the darkness into the light. In the rain I feel no pain. All I see is color and light. One of these days the rain will subside. We walk through the floods, feeling alive. One of these days the rain will subside. We'll walk through the floods, feeling alive. One of these days the rain will subside, and we'll walk through the floods, feeling alive.
Seaweed in Ennistyne, there were surfboards found in Ireland 2 days after the storm hit our shore. Rocks the size of you and me were washed up on the 18th tee, and golfers wearing wetsuits shouting for. A sandbag in the doorway won't stop a wave the size of Galway. A bit of plywood won't hold back a hurricane. Traffic cones and a length of rope, a bit of luck and a lot of hope that our town will still be standing in the morn. We're on the front page of the Champion, the Independent and the Star, about a surfer, the promenade and a flooded bar. Instead of boobage on page 3, there's a picture of you and me, standing where a playground used to be. A sandbag in the doorway won't stop a wave the size of Galway. A bit of plywood won't hold back a hurricane. Traffic cones and a length of road, a bit of luck and a lot of hope that our town will still be standing in the morn. Seaweed in Ennistyne, there were surfboards found in Ireland 2 days after the storm hit our shore. There's a clean-up, so get behind it. There'll be gloves and bags provided. Let's bring Lahinch back to the jewel she was once more. A sandbag in the doorway won't stop a wave the size of Galway. A bit of plywood won't hold back a hurricane. Traffic cones and a length of rope, a bit of luck and a lot of hope that our town will still be standing in the morn. A sandbag in the doorway won't stop a wave the size of Galway. A bit of plywood won't hold back a hurricane. Traffic cones and a length of rope, a bit of luck and a lot of hope that our town will still be standing in the morn. That our town will still be standing in the morn. I hope our town will still be standing in the morn.